Good morning everybody, welcome to the Rambuttri Road, which is just adjacent to the coastline road. This is without doubt one of my favourite roads in Bangkok. It's just so chilled and relaxed. Although I did have a bit of a negative experience last night while I was out. I had a glass of wine, went to get up and knock the glass, and of course I broke it. And a cheeky little moo had the cheek to charge me 200 baht for a glass. Wow, what a rip-off. Well, that's the last time I visit your bar. But anyway. There's Villa Cha-Cha, which is a really nice little hotel with a swimming pool. So many nice little places along here. And there's the Villa Cha-Cha sign. Good morning. Tuk tuk. This is a place that charged me 200 baht. Breaking a glass, will not be returning there or taking my custom there. Oh my goodness, and she was so rude about it as well. I don't know why I was so bothered. I mean, I'm always polite to everybody. Good morning. What you're going to find down these little side roads. Okay. 858 Hostel. As I said, you never know what you're going to find down these little side roads. That's brilliant, look. Another outlet there for food. And there's a cute little kitty there. This is where I ate lunch earlier. Yawadika. Oh no. Oh, I'm not recording, don't worry. It's okay, not you.